Good morning, children. Children, in earlier video we have learned ionic bonding and I explained you two examples, that is sodium chloride and magnesium chloride. Children, magnesium chloride electron dot structure already have come in exam of 2019. Children, this year question they have asked electron dot structure of calcium oxide. Today we are going to learn some more ionic compound structure or the formation of calcium oxide by calcium and oxygen, formation of sodium sulfide with sodium and sulfur, and formation of aluminium chloride by aluminium and chlorine. Let's start. Formation of calcium oxide. Children, for formation of electron dot structure, you need to memorize atomic number of first 20 elements compulsorily. So, if I ask you, atomic number of calcium is 20. So, electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 2. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Electronic configuration 2, 6. Calcium is containing 2 electrons and oxygen is containing 6 electrons in outermost shell. Now children, again we are combining calcium and oxygen. Calcium is containing 2 electrons. Its electronic configuration is 2882. Oxygen is containing 6 electrons in outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am representing by cross to the electrons of oxygen and by dots of calciums. Its electronic configuration 2, 6. In order to get stabilized, calcium will lose both its electrons, whereas oxygen requires 2 more electrons to complete its octet. So, both calcium's electrons will be shifted to oxygen atom. So, calcium becomes calcium ion. Why? Because it is losing 2 electrons. That is why 2 positive charge. Electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, 8. These 2 electrons are gone. Where? To oxygen. And oxygen, it was already having 6 electrons in outermost shell plus 2 electrons of calcium. These 2 electrons of calcium, that is why will acquire -2 charge. Electronic configuration will become 2, 8. Next, now the shifting of electrons. See children, calcium is becoming calcium ion. See here, Ca is transforming into Ca plus 2 charge. How? By losing 2 electrons. These 2 electrons will be accepted by this oxygen atom, and this oxygen atom becomes oxide ion. See children, one more time. Calcium donates its 2 electrons to become calcium ion. Oxygen accepts calcium electrons and become oxide ion. Now, next example, sodium sulfide or Na2S. Sodium sulfide, Na2S. Sodium electronic configuration is 281. Why? Because atomic number is 11. Sulfur atomic number is 16. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 6. carefully. In one molecule of sodium sulfide, there are 2 atoms of sodium and 1 atom of sulfur. Do not do mistake. Two atoms of sodium will combine with 1 atom of sulfur. It is a general mistake. That means we will take 2 sodium atom like this. Each sodium atom is containing 1 electron in outermost shell. Why? Because this is the configuration. These 2 sodium atoms will combine with sulfur atom which is containing 6 electrons in outermost shell. Why? Because its electronic configuration is 286. This sulfur will accept 1 electron from this sodium atom, 1 electron from this sodium atom. So, this sodium atom becomes sodium ion. This sodium atom becomes sodium ion. And this sulfur, which is already having 6 electrons of its own and plus 2 electrons which are coming from 2 sodium atoms and acquire -2 charge and electronic configuration 288. It was 286 becomes 288. Its electronic configuration 28 because it loses 1 electron. Its electronic configuration also becomes 28 because it has also lose 1 electron. Now children, in this reaction, 2 sodium atoms are participating, 2 Na. What happened with 2 sodium atoms? They become 2 sodium ion because they lose 2 electrons. Then sulfur is accepting these 2 electrons and sulfur is becoming sulfide ion. See it one more time carefully. 2 sodium atoms are donating its 1 electron to 1 sulfur atom. Sodium ions become stable after losing their electrons. Sulfur is accepting 2 electrons from sodium ion each and becoming S-2 charge or sulfide ion. Children, let's move further or next example. Next example is aluminium chloride, AlCl3. AlCl3, children, if you see, it is containing 1 atom of aluminium, 3 atoms of chlorine. So, 1 atom of aluminium with electronic configuration 283 will combine with 3 Cl atoms. Right? 3 electrons are present in outermost shell. I am representing like this. Chlorine 287, 7 electrons each with all 3 chlorine atom in this manner. So what will happen? Aluminium is going to lose its electron. 1 electron will go to this, 1 electron will move to here, 1 electron will be accepted by this chlorine atom. And we will show arrow in this manner, children. Children, let me tell you, showing the shifting of electrons in this manner with the help of arrow is important. So, aluminium loses 3 electrons. So, what will happen? After combining, it will acquire 3 positive charge. Right? And 3 chlorine atom. You can make 3 chlorine atom like this with 7 electrons of chlorine and 1 electron of aluminium, or you can also make, this is 1 chlorine atom containing 7 electrons of its own plus 1 electron of aluminium acquire -1 charge, and there are total 3 in number. I hope you are getting. Children, this topic requires lots of practice. Please do practice. Electron shifting की बात करते हैं. Aluminium is turning up into aluminium ion. Aluminium ion मतलब 3 positive charge. You can show plus 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 or 3 plus. It's okay. After losing 3 electrons, these 3 electrons will be accepted by 3Cl, not Cl3, 3Cl like this, and you will be getting 3Cl minus 1 or chloride ion. One more time, children. Aluminium contains 3 electrons in outermost shell. 3 electrons will be accepted by 3Cl atoms, and molecule becomes AlCl3 the way you are seeing on your screen. And children, I am also giving you some example for your homework. Please do practice, and we will discuss in next lecture. So children, here is your homework. You need to make the electron dot structure for the formation of these 5 compounds, and I am also giving you the atomic number of all the elements so that you will be able to find out the valence electrons and do the formation of electron dot structure. Children, please understand carefully. If at all you are facing any problem, please contact me. Thank you, children.